Good morning, how are you today? And this weekend we'll be going for an Indian theme. We'll be making tandoori chicken breakfast wrap. For the marinade, we'll be using ginger garlic paste, yogurt, salt, spices, squeeze a lemon, olive oil, cracked pepper, and let that marinate overnight. Great way to save a little bit of money. We reuse the charcoal from our fireplace. To ensure the chicken's cooked through, we finish it off in the oven. We have some homemade roti with some melted cheese, a good dollop of garlic yogurt sauce. 2 fried eggs are added. Top it off with your tandoori barbecue chicken, and there you go, your breakfast wrap. Enjoy!